Hi everyone, this is piano teacher Michelle. We're going to learn Beethoven's famous piece for Elise. And for Elise is in rondo form, that is in A, B, A, C, A, three sections. And the B and C are more difficult, so we're going to learn the section A today. And the key is in A minor. You can always find the minor key through the major scale that is on the sixth note of the major scale. And so you know that A minor is a relative minor of C major, because when you play it at C, D, E, F, G, A, the sixth notes is A. And then A minor has other minors has three different forms. They are natural minor, harmonic minor, and melodic minor. We are going to learn it all today. Thank you. Now we'll talk about for Elise by Beethoven. The tempo marking here show you the Italian poco molto. Poco means little, and molto with motion. And you have time signature that is 3/8. Eighth notes gets one beat, and there are three notes per measure. And this one here is an incomplete measure, start on the third beat. And so our measure one is here, and 2/16 equals to an eighth note, that is one beat. And for the convenience of reading, when you have the whole bunch of 16th notes, there are two lines, and if a whole bunch of eighth notes, and there will be one line. And in this case here, we only have one single eighth note in the measure. And then here's the 16th rest, and there's expression marks that is getting stronger and getting softer. And you start with a very soft pianissimo, and the whole measure rest here for your left hand. And then here's the pedal sign. When you have this one here, you pedal it down and then release it, just like what I do here on the foot here. On the right, tempo pedal, and then release it. Pedal down and release it. And so that's the pedal sign. And for the convenience, I wrote down the measure number. And here we have a repeat sign, but then this repeat is more complicated. That is 1 and 2. That is, you start from beginning, play to 8, and then measure 8, you need to go back to the beginning again, and then play to 7, and jump to the bracket 2, that is measure 9. Then continue to go to measure 10. The dynamic sign here is mezzo forte, that is medium loud, because the line is going a little higher and then dropping down, so later you have a diminuendo getting soft. And For the this part here, you have a little staccato and then 5-1. Sometimes I prefer to do 5-1-1. You will see which one fits you better. Then we have a diminuendo and then slow down. And because of the slowing down, you need to get back to the original tempo, and that is a tempo. And start it very soft, then go crescendo and diminuendo again. And so as you can see that whenever you have that melody, the theme melody, you have this expression mark to go louder and softer. And then go to the measure 22, you'll see the same repeat sign again. You go from 23 back to measure 10, and then keep on going, do the same thing over again. And then to 22, you jump to the measure 24, and then go on. This is the section A. And then section B is going to be harder. We are not learning it today. For the easy version, a lot of addition method book music, they would do this part only. And so we can learn this section A, how the pedal to go with the melody there. So there's pedal, so that's the way. And for the opening theme here, we have a crescendo and diminuendo. That's an expression mark. Just do a little, forcing your finger firmer, and then go down a little bit deeper, and then we'll get the crescendo. And then release it a little light to have a little light touch, then you'll get the diminuendo. Listen to it again. So that's the pedaling, and you will try to work on it. The music here, we have a D sharp. D sharp after the measure bar line is need to be refreshed again. But within the bar line, the sharp is still effective, so that you need to have a natural sign. And since most of the time the two hands are in separate motion, so we can practice the music with both hands together. There are just a few spots that both hands together. And I strongly suggest that when you practice, you wanted to count aloud. And as this one here is an incomplete measure, we'll count 1, 2, and getting on 3. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.